Well, boys, got a little project to kind of work on here. It's an oscilloscope, EICO Model 460 DC wideband. A friend of mine dropped it off. The thing do not power up. Now, I'm well aware of how dangerous these things can be voltage-wise. So, needless to say, I won't be touching anything that could cause me major problems. But the main culprit why it doesn't power up at the moment, the power switch. It's not turning on. And it looks like it's a specialized power switch at that. As you can see, she's kind of binding. Kind of like binding up, but it's not switching the yellow and the black wires, which comes back here. So you get your fuse, where you get your AC line comes in, goes through your fuse, and then it goes through the yellow wire, back to the switch, through the switch to the black wire, back to the black wire, and then it carries on to the transformer, which is this bad boy. So yeah, this seems like a wire wound switch at that. Don't know if I've got one of those. You can hear it trying to do something there. It's all, yeah, it just don't want to work. So we're going to remove the switch, make sure there's no voltages on this, and remove the switch, and maybe I could possibly repair the switch. Maybe. Anyway, let's have a look. Well, boys, the EICO Model 460, she is working. Had to replace the power switch, but yeah, she is working perfect. Focus. Intensity. Looks like this switch there is frozen. That one's working, this working, this working. Horizontal selector is frozen. And I got her hooked up to my Variac over there. Brought her up slowly in steps of 10 volts. So right now she's chooching along at 120 volts. And she seems quite happy. Anyways, there we go. That's the EICO Model 460. That's a nice scope. Very nice indeed.